कोरोना की वैक्सीन बनाने का मेरे देश के नौजवान, मेरे देश के वैज्ञानिक बेड़ा उठाए।
I'm also pleased to report today that a vaccine candidate has begun the phase 1 clinical trial.
Encouraging things from what's going on at Oxford. Achieve a vaccine.
Hello and welcome to another episode of 5-Minute Learning. Coronavirus, since its discovery is so mysterious that scientists working in labs across the world are figuring ways to come up with a vaccine. Today, we will learn the history of vaccine, the methodology behind testing process, and how long will it take to develop a coronavirus vaccine. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified when our next video drops in. The historical use of vaccine safer for human consumption is dated back to the 11th century, when Chinese used to inject some kind of herb mixture to treat smallpox, which was also practiced in some parts of Africa, and reached Europe through Turkey. But it was Edward Jenner in 1796 who successfully developed a smallpox vaccine using cowpox material. Later, his discovery led to the eradication of smallpox in 1996, and for that he is regarded by some as father of vaccines. And with time, we humans have conquered diseases like diphtheria, tetanus, anthrax, cholera, plague, polio, typhoid and tuberculosis. It may take around 10 to 15 years for the development of a vaccine which is safer for human consumption. But before that, it has to be refined through 4 phases of extensive trial. Phase 1. This involves a small group of adults, usually between 20 to 80 subjects. If the vaccine is intended for children, researchers will first test adults, and then gradually step down the age of test subjects until they reach their target. These trials may be non-blinded, meaning that researchers and subjects know about whether a vaccine is used or not. The goals of this phase include assessment of safety of the candidate vaccine and to determine the type and extent of immune response that the vaccine provokes. A successful phase 1 leads to phase 2. Phase 2. A larger group of several hundred individuals participates in phase 2 testing. Some of the individuals may belong to groups at risk of acquiring the disease. These trials are randomized and well controlled. The goals of phase 2 testing are: study the candidate vaccine safety, proposed doses, schedule of immunizations, and method of delivery. Success of phase 2 leads to phase 3. Phase 3. This phase includes larger trials involving thousands of people. These phase 3 tests are double-blind, meaning researchers and subjects, they both don't know about the tests. Phase 3 goals include assessing safety of vaccine in large group of people, determining the efficiency of vaccine, which depends upon various factors like: does the candidate vaccine prevent disease? Does it prevent infection with the pathogen? Does it lead to production of antibodies? After successfully passing the phase 3, the vaccine is ready for manufacture on large scale. There is an optional phase 4, where manufacturer can assess the vaccine for safety, efficacy and other potential uses. Coming to our final topic, about coronavirus and its vaccine. I will give you insights when the vaccine will be ready, but before that, let us see which companies around the world are leading in the research to find a vaccine, and which countries are spearheading in terms of funding. Top companies are: Merck, started clinical trial in April 2020. Inovio Pharmaceuticals, expecting clinical trial by end of 2020. Novavax, expecting trial by mid-June 2020. Sanofi, company stated that trial will begin by this year end. Pfizer, trial started in March, while the leading countries in research are: United States, with 209 active studies. France, with 174 active studies. China, with 74 active studies. Italy, with 59 active studies. Spain, with 52 active studies. Coming back to our initial question. When will the coronavirus vaccine be ready for mass consumption? The answer is: it depends. The path to successfully develop a vaccine depends on a lot of factors, and scientists day in and day out are trying their best to find a door in this difficult maze. Hope is they will find it sooner rather than later. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and tell us in the comments what do you like to learn in your next 5 minutes.